CorpBiz.
Hello everyone, this is Divya Dikshit and you're watching CorpBiz. Today in this video we will explain you what is a patent, what is a patent registration, essential that determines your invention is patentable or not, what is a provisional patent registration, what are the benefits of patent registration, and at last what are the various documents that you will be requiring at the time of patent registration. So let's begin the video. If you invent something unique and innovative, then surely you want to get protected your invention from being copied, cheated or duplicated. For that, you need to get your invention patent. So what is a patent? A patent is a form of intellectual property that gives its owner a legal right to exclude others from making, using and selling an invention for a limited period of years. You can also say that patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention. It can be a process, a method, an art to manufacture, or you can also say that particular apparatus, machine, computer software, chemical or drugs. You can establish sole ownership over your invention by registering for a patent under the Indian law, which is Patent Act 1970 and Patent Rule 1972, and hence the government will grant you the right for your product. So the patent registration is done for 20 years. We do a lot of invention in our life, but it's very important to understand that our invention is patentable or not. So in this video, we'll also explain you the essential that determines your invention is patentable or not. The invention should be novel and should not be the part of any prior art. The product should not be apparent, means it should not be of such nature that a layman could come up with the same product or with the same invention that are easily available on the public platform. It should have some technological advancement and innovative action that adds to the existing knowledge and which make the invention not visible to any skilled person in the art. And it must be useful, it should add values to the life of the common man. So whenever you go for a patent registration, you come across a different type of patent registration. So we will now explain you the different type of patent registration. The first one is ordinary application. See, when you are not quite ready with your invention, but you need much time for research and development, and at the same time, you also have a fear to lose on the priority of date. At that time, you go for ordinary application. So, in ordinary application, the invention is disclosed for the first time. The second is conventional form. If the originator has already filed for a patent registration in other country and also want to do the same, then this occur following the conventional form. The third one is PTC International Application. PTC International Application allow you to file a patent registration in duplicated countries, and you can also tender it up to 142 countries. It could take within 30 to 31 from the foreign filing date to enter and claim assurance for each state. And the fourth one is PTC National File Application. You can file this within 31 months from the global filing date. Now we will explain you what is a provisional patent registration. See, when a person is involved in research and development, and even at that time they don't have a full complete design of their invention to get patentable, so they can go for a provisional patent registration for preserving their work. So basically, provisional patent registration is a preliminary step that is obtained to get support before being able to file a complete registration for the patent. So before going for a provisional patent registration, we are also going to tell you that there are various advantages of a provisional patent registration. Cost effective, interim protection, patent filing date, abandonment, benefit of provisional patent registration, establishes priority rights, gauge the worth of invention, buys time to make required changes, and monetary returns. So now you have gone through the advantage of the provisional patent registration. Now we are going to tell you about the documents that you will be requiring at the time of provisional patent registration. First of all, you need to acquire the title. Second, applicant information. Third, the description of the invention. And fourth, the technical aspect of the invention. Now let's quickly go through the benefit of patent registration. A patent gives you the right to stop others from copying, selling, manufacturing your invention without your permission. You get protection for a predetermined period, allowing you to keep your competitors at bay. You can license your patent for others to use it or sell it, and this will really provide an important source of revenue for your business. Improves your credibility in the market, and the credibility of an originator goes up as the patent registration is done. Patent registration provides the patent holder the right to prohibit others from using patented imagination without the patentee permission. The patent owner can decide on whom to permit to use under accepted terms. And at last, you can sue the third party in case of violation. Now at last, we will explain you about the documents that you will be requiring at the time of patent registration. Fill the application in Form 1. Proof of right to file the form of patent. If applicable, report and undertaking under Section 8 in Form 3. If a patent agent proffers the patent application, then the power of administration in Form 26. If the form is for biological substance, then the applicant is expected to get approval from the National Biodiversity Authority before the allowance of the patent. The origin of geographical origin should be introduced in the case of biological material practiced in the innovation. All the application must carry the signature of the applicant. The last sheet of the complete specification must be signed by the agent or applicant. MSME or Startup India certificate, if any. So if you are going for a patent registration, then you can choose Corpbiz, because Corpbiz has a dedicated team that will guide you from time to time with an easy documentation process that will make you comfortable and happy. Thank you.